been running this rock here in 220 grit for about 10 days now. 3 days longer than I wanted to. We're going to pull it off, open her up, and see what that looks like. And then we will move on to the next grit. Here's the stones inside and all rinsed off. They're looking pretty good. That chip on that guy, I'm probably gonna reject that guy. I don't know what that is, but that's probably not good for next batch. But for the most part, they came out pretty good. I guess I'll load them back up. Okay, we're gonna load our barrel up for the 500 grit. Get our barrel out. Start dumping rocks in. Alright, there's our rocks. And we're going to add the ceramic media back. Get all of it. That's about 2/3 of the barrel. Let me get my 500 grits. You can see it says 500 right there. And I got that from the rock shed. Do it. In the water. There should be good. Squeeze it, get all the air out of it. Oops. Don't forget the washer. This guy over. And we're tumbling. We'll right up a new post-it. Monday. $500. Away. Right just so I know what it is. Alright. If you ever wondered about my camera setup, this is basically a magnetic indicator holder for machining. Little cell phone holder I ordered off Amazon. And it's right now on a piece of railroad track that I bought at an estate sale in my old VersaVice that I inherited from my father. That's about as complicated as it needs to be. Alright, I'm kind of running with a new setup in my garage here. This table here is replaced where I've been doing the rock tumbling. Walk further down into my garage, past my metal working tools. I built a French cleat to hold both of my rock tumblers. And I'm about ready to pull the 500 grit off that I just got done with here and go into the polishing stage. However, I am going to be taking a break for the next couple weeks for a family vacation. So there'll be a little delay on this video because of that. I don't like to leave my stuff running while I'm out of town, you know, just for fire danger. I mean, so let's go ahead and pull her off. Alright, we'll bring it inside here and get a little bit better view of the rocks that are 500. I really like these. It's a really pretty rock. I know I got more of those. I look at my lawn now every time I see these rocks and make some really neat pieces out of them. This guy will be pulled out, will not be put in the next batch. There's a crack there, I'll take care of that. Some whites and some browns. I like the deep reds like this guy here. I need to definitely be doing more of these rocks, but like I said, 2-week break and then I put this in the polish and we will see what happens when they're all said and done. We're going to pull the Georgia quartz out of the final polish step here. See how they look. It's been going a few days longer than it should have, but that should be okay. So let's go ahead and pull her off and open her up. Okay, here's the finished product. They have shined up super nice. Some nice reds in here. The whites almost come up pinkish. Got the white and black spotted, which is pretty cool. All in all, I'm pretty pleased with this batch. I have an endless supply of these rocks, so I will probably dig some more out of my yard. I'll make a nice pendant. Another small one. And I'll do more of these because I like to get these out of my yard. Look at this guy here. It's interesting colors, nice reds and browns. But pretty much that's it till next time. End of this video series.